Ciao everyone, it's Davide, aka the Custard Italian. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to talk you through on how to have your iceberg salad in a little different way. What I like to call like a steak. So I'm going to talk you through the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to use some walnuts, parsley, bit of garlic, lemon, obviously your iceberg lettuce. And for the dressing, I'm going to use this agrodolce. Is a condiment. It's Italian, so it's got a bit of sweet, a bit of zingy flavor, beautiful for salad dressing, and of course our olive oil and a bit of salt. Andiamo. So to start with, you wanna cut your iceberg salad in a kind of steak size slices, okay? So we're gonna remove the top. Then you can use this one for another salad. What we really want is the middle part of your iceberg. So a couple of centimeters thick, nice chunky slice, and you're gonna pop it right in the middle of your plate. We can leave this one aside for a minute, and we're gonna dig into our dressing. So for our dressing, we will need our agrodolce, which I'm gonna go with about a tablespoon. Obviously, quantities are relative to the size of your steak. Olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pinch of salt, a good pinch of salt. And we're gonna go with the garlic through our microplane. So it will come nice and fine, and it will melt and disappear in your dressing. About 1 garlic clove. And a little bit of lemon juice, about a chick of lemon juice. Give it a nice little whisk so all the ingredients will combine, and we can leave it aside. Next one up will be our parsley to go on top of our salad. So depending on the size again, if you love parsley, you can go a little bit more crazy. I would say a couple of sprigs here will be plenty. And you wanna finely slice your parsley, as fine as you can. And we're gonna pop this one right into our dressing. So I would say it's about a tablespoon of parsley leaf. Right into our dressing. And again, give it another little whisk. So our dressing now is nice and emulsified, and it's ready to go on top of our salad. The dressing goes right on top of our iceberg salad. Doing this way, the dressing will go straight through your steak, and each leaf will have a little bit of dressing. So we're gonna pour this one right on top of our lettuce. Leave it aside, give it a little massage on top so the dressing can spread a little bit everywhere. We're gonna top it with our walnuts. And a final drizzle of olive oil, why not? And here you have your iceberg salad steak.